Alright, so I want to use a personal photograph and turn it into a vector. So go to the printmaking module. You want to come into the slides, and so currently that slide, that video is going to be on slide 35. Right, so here's an image I've used, and then this is the vector that it made for me by using this website. So I'm going to click on this, I'm going to open it up, it's going to take me to this website. I have to have an image already downloaded and saved to my device, so you can take your Chromebook, take a photograph of yourself, save it to your Chromebook, and then click on the selected image, and then go find that file, and there it is, and it's going to drop it in for me. At first it's going to put it in one of these, and so for vector, threshold seems to be the better option. So just by clicking on threshold, it automatically turns it to black and white shapes. Then I play around with this. When this message comes up, you want no thanks, I don't need any, I'm happy with my free tools, right? And so by moving this changes how much black or white is visible. And so the trick is just figuring out what am I happy with. This sharpens it and this blurs it out, makes it a little bit softer, more round edges. This gives you a really sharp edge to your stuff. So I'm going to keep changing that. I'm going to try just to go a little bit more, maybe just a tad more. Alright, so got a pretty good, I'm going to have to make some modifications to my drawing, but it gives me a good idea. So then I take, you guys would screenshot it, I use the snipping tool, I save it, save as, and put it in my files, and now I have this to use later on, me vector. Boom, done, and then that way it helps me draw myself or any family member or friend that I want to try to turn them into my project. That's how you take a real photograph and you make it into a vector.